Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to create a beautiful contact form. So watch the full video. If you want to create a website, then knock me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in my video description. To create a contact form, firstly go to plugins, click on add new. Now search WP forms. Now install the form. I already installed it. After installing, click on create your first form. Now write your contact form name. Now click on blank form. We'll create a blank form. Now add the fields. Click on name. Now click on email. Now click on paragraph text. Now we'll change the settings. Now click on paragraph text. Change it to message. Now we'll change the settings of the form. So click on settings in the left side. Now click on confirmation. You can change the confirmation message here. I will keep it same. It looks good. Now click on notification. Now add your email address here. So if anyone gives message, it will go to your email address. Now click on save. Now go to your Elementor page. Write in the search widget WP form. Now drag it here in the plus button. Now select your form. Now we'll change the settings. Now click on the 6 dot button. Right here 731. Now click on advanced. Now click on the link button. Change the padding 20 top, 20 bottom. Now it looks good. Now click on update. So our contact form is ready. Now preview it. If you want to create a website, then you can knock me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in my video description. So check my video description. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like my video.